Got some choices here. The one in the top corner is pretty rad too. Oh man, that second one down on the left is sick. I like all of them, I'm not sure. Obviously the one got too black, that one we know. The one in the far right, I think that's the one that she was testing on as well. This is exciting, this is fun. Choices. I like all of them so far, so it's going to be a hard choice on which ones. Some of them will be like this style here, and then some are the more rounded style. Yeah. Check it out, dude. These ones are the round. And they have Kave Monkeyz logo. Dude, sweet, we got hat.